James had been dreaming of visiting Paris for years. Finally, the day arrived. He packed his bags, double-checked his passport, and left for the airport 3 hours early. Everything went smoothly at first. He checked in, passed security, and even had time to buy a sandwich and a coffee. As he sat near gate A3, he smiled to himself, thinking, "This is going to be a perfect trip." But then, something unexpected happened. As he glanced up at the departure board, he noticed that his flight, the one to Paris, had changed. The gate number now showed C-17. C-17? That's on the other side of the airport, he thought. Without wasting a second, James grabbed his backpack and started walking quickly. But soon, walking turned into running. The airport was massive. He passed by shops, food courts, and dozens of other gates. The signs weren't helping much. He started to panic. What if I missed the flight? What if it already left? Out of breath, he finally reached gate C-17, but it was empty. No passengers, no airline staff, just silence. James felt his stomach drop. He asked a cleaner nearby, "Excuse me, is this the gate for the Paris flight?" The cleaner shook his head. It was here, but they moved it again. Now it's gate B12. James couldn't believe it. Another gate change? He ran again, this time faster. His legs were tired, and his backpack felt heavier with each step. After what felt like a marathon, he arrived at B12. People were boarding. The flight attendant looked at his ticket and smiled. "You're just in time," she said. James let out a deep breath and walked onto the plane. He found his seat, sat down, and laughed to himself. Well, the trip hasn't even started yet, and I've already had an adventure. Sometimes travel doesn't go as planned, but that's what makes it memorable.